What is up you guys? Dr. Momentum here. So quick snippet lang no ng ginagawa nating Swift Strike course, a momentum trading course by Dr. Momentum. So ito nga pala yung style niya no. So text type para kahit kailan pwede nyong basahin. And it's a quick read per module. I think it would take you 10 minutes. So whole setup, whole module would take you 1 hour or 2 hours to learn. Okay? So, pwede nyo balik-balikan yan once na makapasok na kayo sa Discord. So, yung lesson nga pala na to is portfolio management. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo, 3 fundamentals of portfolio management. So, yun lang. Excited to teach you this. And kung gusto mong sumali, survey lang. Comment, sweep strike. Okay? So, yun lang. Dr. Momentum out.